Have you ever found yourself adding unnecessary, annoying, or even harmful noise to an environment? Well, there are many ways to avoid this situation in which noise is unnecessary and loud. First, instead of blasting music from a phone or a car, put on earphones or headphones. Lower the car music volume and raise the windows to reduce sound leaking out. Also, instead of being a nuisance and honking a horn, call or text a student or a child or your friend to let them know that you have arrived to pick them up.
Hey, you're here? Okay.
Here's a look at the same situation, but with the tips that we just mentioned. Help stop sound pollution today. Try out some of these tips.